Hello ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome on this YouTube channel. So today I'm here to present to you on how to use Royal Chew Grid Bot. Remember, in Royal Chew Grid Bot we have two robots. We have mulongo strategy bot and grid bot. So today I'm going to teach you on how to use your Royal Chew Grid Bot. Thanks for subscribing on this YouTube channel. So stay tuned on to follow up on how to use the grid bot. So on the following up on how to use the grid bot of Royal Chew, here I got to open up my Royal Chew app. Here we go. So now inside, this is how the robot looks like. Once you go on the home page, you will tap on strategy down here. Then you go to bots. When you go on bots, we have mulongo strategy bot, the first one. We have grid bot. So we are going to study about the grid bot. So you tap on grid bot. You say, feel free to create your own strategy, more flexibility. Then you tap on next, because you are trying to create your own strategy on how to use the grid bot. Then you will choose the coin or an asset to trade with the bot. Let us say I'm going to trade Gala stroke USDT. I will choose Gala. I tap it there in the search bar. It will bring Gala USDT. You tap on Gala USDT. Once you tap on it, it will open up and it will bring the trade settings for the grid bot. Up there it shows the Gala USDT. Down here it shows arithmetic and geometric. That's not so much vital. You can leave it as it is. Then when you come down here to the price range, you will choose price range. For the first price, you put the lowest price. After analyzing the market, you will be able to see the lowest price, what we can call the support, and the highest price, which is the resistance. So first you input the lowest price by giving the grid prices, like you are ordering the robot to trade between those ranges, the support and resistance. So it will be buying within those ranges. So we can give it as the support being 0.03200 to the highest point, which is the resistance, 0.03500. So by inputting the price ranges, it's like I'm giving orders to the robot to buy within those ranges. For the grid, you input the number of grids you want, or the robot, like you're commanding the robot to perform buy and sell transactions. So it is in between 2 to 150. So you're supposed to put between those numbers. You can't put 1, you can't put 151. It's supposed to be between 2 to 150. So for now, but it's after analyzing the market, you know the trend of the market, you know whether it's a bull market or it's a bull trend, whether it's a bear trend. So you're able to know like how many grids you're supposed to give to the robot. Grid is like the number of transactions. The number of transactions the robot is going to perform buy and sell. So you can either put 2, and it automatically, the system will calculate for you. Estimated profit rate for each grid will be 4.48%. So that will be the profit it will give you per each grid. I hope you get me clearly. That will be the percentage for each grid. So if you are saying you're putting 2 grids, so it will be 4.48% times 2, the profits you will get per each grid. So down here we go to select coin. It's by default select coin. It's by default USDT. You don't have to change that because we are always trading a stable coin and a volatile asset. For the investment, it's upon you to decide what amount of investment you want to use, because it's you who know what amount of capital you have on your Binance account. So it's up to you. You can either put $500 or you can put $1,000, or you can put 250. It's upon you, because you know how much you have on your Binance account. So with that, after putting the investment or the amount of money you want to use, then that's when you can decide. Let me say I'm going to use 100. Then I will say create bot. After I say create bot, then you can say I understand. Before we go there, there is an advanced setting I would like to show down here, but it's being optional. You can decide to use it or not. Trigger price is like a price you want to command the robot to start buying. It's like the limit market price setting of where you want the robot to start buying from. Then the stop trigger or stop loss, it's like a stop loss means if an asset goes beyond a certain price, let the robot sell off all my assets. You can also input that if you want, but I don't usually encourage it, being because we are in the spot market and it's not advisable to buy high and sell low. It's always buy low and sell high according to the strategy of the spot trading market. Then when we go to the take profit, it's like you set the price at which you want all your assets to be sold at. That's the take profit option, where you have to put that price range where you have to put, so that the robot can sell all of your assets in the trade. So for the advanced settings, it's being optional. I don't usually encourage people to use it, but you can use it if you want to. Then after inputting all the settings, then you go to create bot. Once the strategy has started, please refrain from using the same trade or main other investments on the exchange. Then you can say I understand. So it will give you like a receipt on what's going to happen, the number of transactions going to perform, the lowest price, the highest price, the number of grids, mode, it's arithmetic, investment, you are using 100. Then you can decide to confirm. Once you say confirm, it's like the robot has started. But for now, I'm not going to start because I have already a running order. But once you're using the grid bot, you continue by saying confirm, and it will start automatically. So guys, thanks you for following up on how to use the grid bot, and I encourage to send more videos to teach you more on how to use Royal Chew trading bot. Have a nice day, have a nice evening, have a nice morning. As per now, I know most of you are watching from different areas, but keep on learning how to use Royal Chew.